This is the championship game for U13 boys, Davao Amigos versus RMC Bulldogs.
Sa goal na lang kung inana.
Next game, prepare. Women's Open, Bracket A. DNC Sharks versus JPT DTO. Again, please prepare. Women's Open, Bracket A. DNC Sharks versus JPT DTO.
I said! Go, I said, go! Out, out. Go, Jay! Go, Jay! Ay, ay, ay. Go! Ay! Wait lang! Nag-respond pa! Bigasdom! 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 Alam! JM! Kidom! Ay, sinsaka ang ay, na ninyo ipa-cross. Diyan lang sa inyo JM! Let it be, let it be. Uy! Eh, ba yung pagtalikod? Pagtalikod, tigam! 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 Very good, Em. Nice one. DJ! Boss! Boss! CJ! Boss! CJ! Follow up!
Wanna say very good.
CJ!
Out of target. Keeper's ball.
Hala! Ano ito? Sana mga haras nito. Mga sliding. Hala.
Corner kick. RMC ball. Corner kick now.
Hoy! Ayaw!
1-0. 1-0.
Nice one, Joseph! Likod, Jeng! Likod! Likod! Bantay likod! Very good, Jeng!
What a heading.
Likod! Tatigam!
Amigos now.
One!
Kick in, amigos.
Bantay sa sliding, ha?
Sayang. Keeper's ball. RMC now.
Tidam! Ayan! Jeng!
Handball.
Lagi handball na. Ano naman lagi handball? Ito mga pila, ito mga... Very good, Joseph! Very good! Good job! Goal! Good! JM! Oh! Pantay! Extra! Pantay ka! Oh! On!
Oh, by jersey number 10. First foul for
Jeng,
RMC.
relax lang, Jeng! Bantay, bantay! Yun! Pagdal... Bantay, bantay!
Madayag now taking the free kick.
Nakasave ka lang.
Keepers to the out. RMC ball.
Go, Aizen! Yan nga, uy.
Amigos now.
Bantay, Jeng! JM! Bantay, JM!
That is out of bounds.
Tidam! 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 Tidam!
Take back.
JM! JM! Isa! Oy! Oy! Sama to! Sama to! Sama to! Oh! Pound! Pound! Yay! Pound! Pound to! Pound to!
Referee call foul.
Oh, ka na! Pound! Ka na! Tama ba? Para wala ano?
Foul number 2.
Oh, nasakto!
For
Ano?
Amigos the foul. Jersey number 10 of RMC. Take the free kick.
Dapat din. Dito. Kita dong.
RMC 10. Number 10 is taking the free kick.
Ay, taas kayo dyan. Corner, 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 corner.
For RMC.
Ay, ay, ay! Jayan, Jayan, Jayan! Ayaw, ayaw pa-cross! Ayaw pa-cross!
Ball down. Amigos ball.
Likod, likod! 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 Oh, oh, oh! Corner, corner, corner,
Corner kick. What a save by the goalkeeper of RMC. Corner kick.
Very good, Joseph! Relax lang, relax lang! Relax! Tara! Hoy!
RMC ball. RMC takes the kicking. Straight to goal, that is saved. Throw to the goalkeeper.
Oh, very good! Joseph! Nice! Ayaw, Em! Ayaw, Em!
It's out of bounds. Keeper's ball.
Hala! Iyakan na! Iyakan na! Hulaan to! Hulaan to! Wala man dyan. Manuklod ang sasabawan. Hawa man yan ang plan. Ano, na-foul na ka iyahamang bola. Second to play. Sila di ay.
Amigos, it's keeper's ball now. Defended by Amigos.
Ayaw! Delay, delay, delay! Delay lang.
Keeper's ball.
Kapit lang, glove, diba? Uy, ano ginato ba taglabay? Uy, ano ginato
Amigos
taglabay?
is coming. Yes, it's
Time
out of bounds.
na, time! Time naman! Time na rin! Baba, baba, baba! Time na rin! Uy, time!
Another corner kick. A chance for Amigos. Amigos ball.
Walang palagi oras. Alas, grab naman.
Hoy, time na!
Sabao take them out of the final.